creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I decided to go through my stash of pattern papers and kits and all the extras I have in my craft room, and I found these mystery card kit samplers that I've received from Kendra, from Kendra's Card Challenges. And so I thought I would use these and make some of the sketches from Kendra's Card Challenge 22. So I'm gonna kind of just show you real quick what is in each of these kits. For example, here you get some beautiful pattern papers and then some cardstock. Also, you get in this kit some ephemera and some sentiments. So it kind of really does make for a easy card making session. So I'm going to go through all of them and kind of just figure out which sketches I can make using the pattern paper that I have. Getting the card kit mystery samplers, that's a benefit you get as a gold tier member. So you get a kit every month, mini mystery card kit making kit sampler. So I've collected them and I put them aside and I forget because I get involved in using all the other goodies, but I want to get through the extra goodies I have in my stash. And so I'm going to go through these and hopefully use them all up and make a number of sketches from KCC 22. So let me just kind of put some music on, flip through the rest of the samplers I have, and then we'll start making some cards. So I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording and I made all my cards. I'm so sorry, friends. But let me at least share what I made with you. So I used, let's see, 7 different mystery card making kit samplers that I had hoarded from Kendra's Card Challenges, and I made a variety of cards using the different contents of the kits and using KCC 22, so our Kendra's Card Challenge 22. So let's get started. I'll start with this kit. This was a Thanksgiving one. It was the I Love Fall card kit sampler. And this one I didn't have any extras left. And I kind of just put a sticky note so I knew what I had made. So this was card sketch number 1. I'm going to leave it in there so I know what they are. And then this was sketch number 2, but I rotated it. So sketch number 2 goes this way, but I rotated it to make a landscape card so that I could use the papers that I had, because I was just cutting as I went. So I didn't really, follow the cutting guide per se. I just cut the pieces of pattern paper that I had and worked with what I had. And then here is, what sketch number was this? Number 11. So this was sketch number 1, number 2, and number 11. So I've got those made. Then I pulled in this Doesn't say what it was, but it was a Halloween one. And no scraps left on this one either. Now this one, I didn't use a sketch. I just kind of used the piece of pattern paper that was left over and made my own card. This one, I used sketch number 5. And the stickers that were in that sampler kit. This one is sketch number 3. And I really like the way they all came out. The stickers went perfectly with the pattern papers. And here, I used some black cardstock behind the pattern paper. So it looks like there's a strip of black between the patterns. But really cute. Oh, and I did use the gems too. So if there were gems in the kit or enamel dots or anything of that nature, I tried to use those as well. So those are the 3 I made with a Halloween sampler. And then we have this, it's a Christmas sampler. And I did have a few pieces left over. And I'll show you what I have left. I had 1 piece of cardstock, sticker, actually 3 stickers, and then this circle cardstock. So these were leftovers, but I can use them on different cards. So I'll just add those to my stash. And then here I made card number 13, which is rotated. So I rotated it around so it's landscape instead of portrait. This one is card sketch number 10. And you see I used the enamel dots here as well as the stickers. So cute. Love the little Grinch theme. So 2 out of this one. I think what happened with this one is I had already used up some of the pattern paper in this kit. So that's why I got fewer cards. Then this next one was like a graduation theme, and no leftovers on this one. So no scraps left. So here, this is card sketch number 7. And what I did a little bit different here is instead of using the same pattern paper for all 4 pieces, I just used the scraps I had left, the little strips of pattern paper I had left. Then this one is sketch number 6 that I rotated. So this one should go this way, but I made it portrait. And I used this large sticker ephemera that I put as their focal point. And then this one is card sketch number 4. And this kit had this embossed cardstock on it. And so I used that as my background layer. And then of course use the different pattern papers and this large sticker embellishment or sticker ephemera as well. So I got 3 cards out of that kit. I think I managed to get at least 1 of each sketch out of all 7 kits. Now this one was a birthday theme, and I did have 1 strip of pattern paper left and 1 sticker left. So I made sketch number 12 for this one. And you'll see on some of them, I did add strips of pattern paper on the inside. And then this was sketch number 9. And what I did differently on this one is instead of putting these strips at a diagonal, I went straight across. And I used this sentiment strip in the middle there. So these 2 were from that card kit sampler. Then I had this one. Now this one was the In Bloom Mystery Card Kit Sampler. Oh, and I had a few scraps. Now I'll be sure to link to Kendra's Patreon in the description box. Now this is sketch number 14. And then this one is sketch number 8. And you'll see I added these as the corner because I had a square left. So I added them as corner pieces on the inside. And then this is sketch number 15. Again, more pattern paper on the inside. But look how pretty these turned out. I mean, having the ephemera as part of that sampler kit really makes it easy to make your cards. So those are 3 more I made. And then from our last kit, this is the Mermaid Seas Mystery Card Kit. And I did have a few stickers left. 2 stickers and a sentiment. And then these are the cards I was able to put together. I actually got 4 from this kit. So this is sketch number 10, and this paper I brought in from one of the other kits, so I made it work for this one. So this was sketch number 10. Let's see if I can get that open. And then this is sketch number 1. Isn't that pretty? And I brought in some gold foil cardstock for the matte layer there. And then this is sketch number 2. And most of the matte layers, like this yellow, this blue, this lavender, were part of the sampler kit. So I did bring in this pattern paper because this was part of the May digital bonus printable from Kendra, and I had some left over, so I brought that in as my background layer. And this one is sketch number 1. And oh, and I brought in this holographic paper. But for the most part, I used only what was in the mystery card kit samplers, with a few exceptions. I added a few other cardstocks I had in my stash. All right, let's see if I got at least one of each sketch done using all of my mystery card kit samplers. So there is sketch number 1, and I did 3 of those. And then sketch number 2, which I rotated that one. And then here's another sketch number 2. Here is sketch number 3. Here is sketch number 4. Here is sketch number 5. And then here is sketch number 6, which I rotated as well. Sketch number 7. Sketch number 8. Sketch number 9. Sketch number 10. And I did 2 of those. Sketch number 11. Sketch number 12. Oh, sketch number 13, which I rotated. Sketch 14 and sketch 15, and one that wasn't even from the sketches. So it looks like I made 20 different cards using the contents of the 7 different mystery card kit making samplers. Now I have a few other card making kits in my stash, so I might come back next month and do this again. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.